All right, guys, New Hope Cuts here. I'm in the small edition today, and we got to replace. We're gonna take the straw out here, then we're gonna take the straw out there. We're gonna replace all the straw, but first we're gonna get these hedges trimmed up. So I got my trusty old so far so good, guys. And as you can see with a lot of these hedges, they don't need a whole lot of, they just need a finesse pruning. So I'm not gonna hold you guys up. I'm gonna come back with the after. Using the Craftsman cordless. And I'll come back with an after. Stay tuned. All right, there is the after. Took about, I say, 20 minutes to get them kind of shaped up. Got that one over there. So now we're gonna start cleaning up. So I'm gonna get all this out. Not gonna bore y'all with it. I'll come back with the after. All right, guys, got it cleaned out. Put a little spray down, round up, and we'll get it back right. All right, guys, there you go. There you go. Got that one taken care of, and this front bed. I'm telling you, this is my third straw job for the year. You get better with time, baby. You get better with time. Now, let's get down to business and get this grass. Get this grass. Get this grass. Alrighty. This is it. Edge is nice and tight. It's all there. Backyard done. There you go. I think the customer's gonna love it. So, all right, guys, New Hope Cuts. Keep cutting.